People are saying we're naked, huh?
Yeah, I know, I'm pretty.
How do you just say we're naked, baby? And what kind of...
But who regard that? Christ.
Hey, look, you think we are big people and I like to...
Just the man that still gonna kill me.
Before we start this video, I want to check out this song link within at the top of my comments. It named Air Force by Flowmaster. Please go over there, make this song. Come on, man, I'm new music, you know, go check out the song. And make him know see a razor blade send you. You know? Let's start the video. Squad, 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 squad. What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy razor blade. I don't think I have to whisper, so I have this epic idea I can whisper Angel. I could tell her, say, a little nude video of us, like X-rated video get leaked on the net. I go link a couple persons to call my phone and I say, yo, what kind of video that I see online? So when I tell her, I say, I see the video, I go have people call my phone and I go have people call fear phone. And make a bag of people call the phone and say, yo, what kind of thing that, yo, I go hard at it. Showtime, man, a showtime.
Oh, God. But y'all don't know something?
Yo, bro.
Fuck with him, bro.
What day in life free?
Yeah, nothing that I get deal to the door.
Oh, God. Oh, but just come off. No, man, I can't talk, man. I want him. Sorry. Talk fast, bro. Hold on. Hold on. I see all that. Hold on. Let me answer that call quick. Hold on. Hello? Me there, why pray? Yeah. Yeah, my government. Alright, bro, alright. Sure. What? Oh, you're afraid, mister. Mr. Somebody just called me and asked me to say I want to show my vibes. What happened? Yo. What kind of video is me and wifey? No, come bro, before I would call, remember we post video on YouTube and this every day that. So what kind of video you talk about? Boom! Hold on. What kind of video? We naked? Hold on. Sex as in people are saying we're naked, huh?
Yeah, I know, I'm pretty. I don't hear the cap. You know, we just want me here to pray yesterday. That's right, but I see you leaving. That's because two months fast. I tell me, I'm better to see you leaving or something like that.
Yo, hold on. Which website you see it on? Which app you see it on? Hold on. Which app you see it on? Twitter? Oh my God. Alright. Yo, Mr. Willie.
1 minute Avan.
Hold on.
What you have 1 minute Avan?
No, people go look for this.
So I'm the person now?
Hold on, man.
Which minute that?
Me, baby, the man say serious sex. Hold on, shh. Hold on, me call back Travis to see if I see anything matter, no? Jesus Christ. I forgot tell him to send me a link or something. Just calm down, babe. You know must be weak. Calm down. Yo, bro, talk fast. Oh, we have to tell me, say, a video swim me dog, because somebody just call me and say this, that.
Wait, a Travis that?
Yes, a Travis.
Travis.
Oh my God.
Travis.
Yo.
Wait, what made it Avon? What made it Avon?
Ah, boy, yo.
Wait, what was the setting?
You can't see my mouth to set it.
But I want to know which video that cause I have no idea which video that you record.
Audience just say we naked, baby. And what kind of...
But who recorded?
Me don't know.
Who recorded?
Yo, me tell you so anytime I have sex, put
I
on
know! It would have been me!
yeah, but if me tell enough times I have sex, put on my phone, baby, I just take up my phone and I make some little snap, baby.
But Jesse, I didn't do that! I didn't do that!
Yo.
Tell him to send me the link.
Yo.
Me never do that.
Bro,
You're
just
an
send me the link,
idiot.
bro. Babe, stop shouting them and that now make the situation better. Just send me the link, bro. Please, send me the link.
Dang!
Babe, just relax. Just relax. Because at the same time, where you don't know now fix the situation.
Jesse, who record with?
Babe, me don't know, babe.
'Cause it's
I could have
not
party
me.
night too. I could have party night when you go live, babe. Me don't know.
Oh, why the hell?
You have a one. Just relax.
Babe, me did first where you want. Oh my God.
Are you going live? Would that be the best solution?
Babe, obviously nobody never keep on the live because when you see that on live, then that would have fired by now, babe. I don't know if you record otherwise, babe. I don't know if you phone it around.
But who do that?
Babe, I probably me.
Oh God. Jesus Christ. Tell Travis fit.
Oh God, oh, Twitter. But that's why he send me a link. That's why he send me a link. That's why he send me a link.
Twitter, Jason. Then who would I do that?
Babe, you not hear me, I say, babe. Come like you not hear me, I say, probably you need me.
You may go see them something here, here?
Jesus, my nerve!
Oh. No, me see them something here. And the Travis number is?
Enough number Travis have, babe. Yes, me I try, me I tried it.
See Travis a call the back. Answer a call. Travis!
Yo, hold on, babe. Yo. Hold on. Where you say, bro? Where you say? Bro, me no know, bro. Me come in drunk from a party, bro. Me go live and me not see nobody on the live or complain about nothing, brother.
Come me say what me about do
Hey,
now?
this you know must see just.
What you mean women no must see everybody?
Me no
about
always have
them?
all of the answers there, but me try. You never ask me a million questions, bro. Me no have the answers, bro. Me no know what to say to you. Me not body to you, know. Oh my God. Yo, hold on. Who this now? Who this? Johnny, where are you, bro? Where are you? Lord God, yo, everybody this a call me, yo. I feel pressure. I don't want to answer no call. Twitter. I need to report that video.
You get a link, Jason? That's
Babe,
all I want.
babe,
Yeah,
ask him to send me the link. You know, send me no link yet, babe. Please wait until the link come, babe. I don't know what it is. Me only can search on Twitter, babe. I don't know. Johnny, where you say? Bro, please nobody tell me say how me think you say.
A Jamila?
Yeah, me Twitter the before. Why you ask me that? No, me have it.
A Jamila?
Upon my Twitter I upload.
This not look good.
Jamila? What setting was like? What we did there? In
I
our
was
bed?
party night.
Jason, you were
Well, I wanna my next video clips them.
Cut big stew box.
Yo, me so kind of. Bro, what up?
mother people. So let me see it. No,
What
Jamila, send it to me.
No, I delete it.
No,
delete it.
Jamila, send it to me now.
Yo, at 3,000 views it gone. Delete it.
Hey, Me not, you look off my phone.
Hello? Yo. You don't see me on Twitter too?
So then that's your blade.
We soon call her back.
Stop. So, blood clot. We soon call you back. Babe? You shame?
Babe, are you doing that?
Yeah, so you shame. In 3,000 people are enough, you know, imagine who screen the card.
Babe, are you would have been found, you know?
Yeah. Let me tell us anytime you have to do no phones allowed, you know.
Bro, you!
Oh, baby, we take up my phone and snap it.
But she's, it's not, babe, when me we snap, don't do that. Don't tell no lie upon me. Don't tell no lie and look nobody for blame. When you have me, I have to do nothing.
Okay. Last snap me for your Instagram story when we go snap it for your body. With the
Babe, them are normal.
but you know snap,
But those are normal. You ever see me naked and take up my phone? I have never done that. Don't come blame me. We already in a problem, so don't play a blame game. Me never yet feel naked or me naked and me take up my phone. Me never yet do that. No man snapper when they hug up on me, a kiss and stuff like them, they snap them, I have it on my phone. You keep done, gum.
Well, here comes shade room. Nobody don't link you.
Nobody don't message me.
Well, that means you know, gone public, do you right way. Thank God. Nothing no.
My mother go see this now.
Who would I talk?
Yeah, call Jamila to send me.
Me delete the supper from my Twitter like while baby. You call my both.
So let me see video what they go up now.
Bro. I feel like I should move my gallery. Cause you know what, yo, I not remember who.
Let me talk to Jamila.
Maybe you talk to me.
Me have video call him, you, my voice.
I'm going to call him back.
So I'm gonna put him there now? Shame me now?
Yo, I'm with you on my phone.
Let me talk. Jamila.
You
Bring him back. Yeah, mommy, you're gonna kill me. Jesus Christ.
Hey, look at thing we have big people and I like
Yes, my mother still gonna kill me.
That is a man!
you kill me too.
What we gonna do?
You delete the video.
Look at the AC, I'm cool.
What do you do? You see, as of today, no phones are loaded.
I'm going to tell you that.
No, go top like, say, babe, don't fling blame for me alone, babe. I'm here in the bed, babe.
Who carry phone?
Probably me this time, so babe, you never snap nothing when we in the bed yet.
No.
You know, I make it time. Let me take it blame, cool. Me alone, me ever take up, alright, cool. Best part is 3,000 seed, and enough somebody there.
You're not ever caring now.
I
don't know what
bro, I feel like I care, I don't care.
How about Jamila? Jamila would have did if he even answer me. My God.
Jesus Christ. Me, I tried.
Just you're not friggin' try nothing.
Babe, sorry here.
I don't want to hear no sorry. You must think sorry can't fix nothing.
Sweet those smart and nobody still. I'm not trip.
Babe, try to call back Jamila, please.
Me try calling look at where I'm
Babe, me don't have any credit and my WhatsApp and it has a call in.
Alright, we'll call him.
Which video that? We can't even see video.
Babe, never look fit on my phone, babe.
What did I do?
Babe, we were having sex. You feel like someone normal stuff could I go buy for money back off so babe? I try to find the video. We just did have to delete it as I see.
But what how many turn?
Babe?
Love it. Love it. They call me back.
What?
Love it. They call me.
Love it, lipstick?
Love it. Just say, oh this. Love it. Call me back now, sis. It's serious. We get fucking up. Hey, look, he's good.
And I can't worry about it.
Lovell, don't say it, please. Yes. What? What happened? Lovell, I feel like to dig my hole.
We can't bother.
Lovell, I don't know how that happened. Like normally when me and Jason do nothing. Who for on your phone look like it? Cause it could have been me. Me not do video.
Babe, you know, you just start trying to play a
What,
game.
Jason, me not do that.
Babe, alright. I'm me, he post some. I'm my Twitter poster. I'm my Twitter poster.
What?
I'm my Twitter poster. What that I going to do now?
Love.
Mine.
No, Jason. That means that you recorded. Lovell, you see me have normal snapping on my phone like. Normal snap like that way that me put on WhatsApp. Me and Jason come, me and Jason kiss. Once anything we have to do in the bedroom, me don't record them stuff there. Me not even aware cause if me see Jason record me, that's a babe, no. Me would have personally.
You wouldn't know neither because you didn't enjoy
Oh yeah,
it.
I hear that. What a Jason?
Lucy cousin just texting look a while and saying feet and say, yo, I know, remember say they know say you got that guy was did the best man to Lucy.
When me the Brenton.
Lucian see it.
Lucy no go panic
Please,
just wake up.
Lucy. Don't just make it don't. Yeah, don't do. Lovell, question. What me did I do?
Johnson.
Back? Did he come back? What me do?
Yeah, they did that right.
Johnson, him for me.
Shame. Never came here.
Miss Desiree now go see.
Jesus. Love that minute. I know you can't add up all Jason have that in their phone. We don't normally record them something there. But we don't normally, so we don't do that. That means Jason. That means that Jason. We don't know. Maybe I make nice.
You know, see,
Me did load. Me did load. What me don't know what
Exactly.
I don't see it. Me did load. Me did a ball out.
hold on. Right, they send me a video. They send me a video.
Let me see it.
Somebody send me a video.
Just to get the video of Let me see it.
Babe, somebody send me maybe the pan shade room. Maybe the pan shade room. No! I the pan shade room. Baby, in the pan shade room, the pink pan shade room is still bad.
Let me see it again now.
See it there. Yo! Me tell you something, you go wet back your skin, you know. You feel like you don't go so? You feel like you don't go so? You feel like you don't go so? Lovell, big up yourself, Lucy, big up. You feel like you don't go so?
Lovell, because I know it's still shocking to me because me I said, oh, that video they record. Me not stupid. Normally, we don't record them stuff there. See, if I didn't want to snap when me a kiss Jason or whatever, then he could have always gone because even me snap them to post them because I don't know nothing outrageous. But once you come into a bedroom, no phone in our bedroom. The more, babe, guys, the most in our bedroom is a mirror because I love mirror. Me love to do it and looking at a mirror, but not phone. So this just shocking to me that me I try to investigate. Me want to know everything that you rest loud.
You could rest in no peace in ya. You could rest in peace in ya. You think you could have got your bed so? Hey.
No, man.
Don't play with the squad.
Me I worry, you know?
Don't play with the squad.
You think me I worry about nobody?
Don't play with the squad.
Leave me alone. Me I worry about Miss White. Me I worry about Mummy. Me I worry about that.
Anyway, people. You know my style already, people. When I rest. From there, I sit down and wait and say, no, make it look dead down, make you feel like nothing going to happen. 10,000 likes to that video. And big up to everybody involved. Squad up!